To activate your Citibank credit card, start by gathering the required information, including your card details and personal identification. You will need your card number, expiration date, and security code, as well as your name, date of birth, and social security number. First, visit the Citibank website and navigate to the credit card activation page. You can also activate your card by calling the Citibank customer service number or using the Citibank mobile app. If you are activating online, click on the Activate Card button and enter your card details and personal identification. Follow the prompts to verify your information and create a username and password for online access. If you are activating by phone, call the customer service number and follow the automated prompts to enter your card details and personal identification. A representative may also assist you with the activation process. Once your card is activated, you will receive a confirmation message and your card will be ready for use. Make sure to sign the back of your card and review the terms and conditions of your account. As a best practice, make a record of your card details and activation date, and keep them in a safe place. It is also important to monitor your account activity regularly and report any suspicious transactions to Citibank immediately. In addition, consider setting up account alerts and notifications to stay informed about your account activity and balance. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully activate your Citibank credit card and start using it for your financial needs.